I like this type of skiing. And there's a ton of different reasons, and I'll tell you some of them. One is just being out here in this experience all by yourself, the quiet, the beauty of the landscape is just really something special. Another reason is the exercise that you get walking up this hill. It's fantastic, it's low impact, it's a full body workout, and it's great cardio. So that's another reason. A third reason that a lot of people wouldn't really think of is that you actually have less chance of being injured when you're ski touring. Mind you, it might be harder if you do get injured to be rescued, but I'll tell you why you have less chance of being injured. The most important reason is you're going to be doing less runs, and so if you're doing it less frequency, you're not going to have the same number of injuries. The other reason is you don't have any chance of colliding with someone else, which can be a really bad experience and quite dangerous on a lot of hills, a lot of busy hills. And another reason is you're not running into ice. I mean, you're on soft snow, so you're not going to be taking these falls where you're really slipping on ice or falling onto ice, which is really good. The other reason I do this is because this is how you access some of the world's best terrain. The backcountry, by definition, doesn't have chairlifts, and snowmobiles and snowcats and helicopters might do it, but the cheapest way to go is on your 2 feet, and you're never going to have any mechanical problems, and it's just a more organic way of doing things. And I mean, the last reason is I'm saving myself probably $20–30 today just by staying off of the chairlift. Don't have to buy a lift ticket, and I mean, it's somewhere more expensive like Tremblant, $75 to go skiing. So those are some of the reasons why I do what I do, and to me it's awesome, and I plan on skiing like this until I can't walk anymore, pretty much. So I got the skins on the skis, and the name of the game is one foot in front of the other. Just keeping a nice, easy pace and trying to maintain it all day long, essentially. So there's the campsite. My tent. It's a wood stash over there. You can kind of see my skis. So I spent the last little while gathering some wood there, from a dead tree, with a saw you can see there and a hatchet. And I used a little bit of cotton and Vaseline, which is another trick. And now I'm going to see if I can get something going here. Just have to be patient with it, I guess. Alright, okay. Okay, here we go. Let's do a little teepee here. Now, I did bring some nice dry firewood with me. So what I'm doing is more of a test for myself rather than necessity. But it's nice to know that you can, in fact, do this if you need to. And it looks like we have ourselves a fire. Oh yeah! Now that is a fire. A lot of people ask me, you know, like, what do you do for the 16 hours a day when it's dark, as opposed to the 8 hours a day when we're skiing? The answer is simple. I sleep. I seriously slept for like almost 12 hours last night, and that's amazing. It's so comfortable in here, I can't believe it. So we're inside the TTV tent right now. It's not exactly huge, but for one person it's so roomy. And here I got my day pack with me. It's got my Gore-Tex layers, thermos with hot water, and that's my breakfast. And I'm actually going to make breakfast in bed. I'm just going to pour some of that water into this granola, and it's going to be delicious. I'm going to eat it right here. And I'm inside my mummy bag. It's a minus 20 rated bag. It's so warm. It really is unbelievable. And I sleep on a pillow, which is my down parka, folded up and compressed, and put into my sleeping bag stuff sack. And it actually makes a really good pillow. Not a bad place to be right now. It's been really quiet up here today. I've actually only seen one other person all day.